Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style pumpkin punch. Here I have a piece of pumpkin. This is 2 pounds of pumpkin. So first I cut it in two. Now I'm peeling the skin off the pumpkin. Now I'm just going to cut it in cubes. So over here I have my pot with 8 cups of water boiling. Just going to add the pumpkin to it. Here I have some okra. Cut them and cook them with the pumpkin also. Now I'm just going to add them to the pumpkin. Soon as they cook, make it cool down and blend it afterwards. So it already cooled down. Just going to blend it now. So to my blender, just going to add everything to my blender. The okra, the pumpkin. And I use the same water also. Here I'm adding my sea moss gel. And I'm going to list all the ingredients below the video. Cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder. Here I add 1 Guinness. Just going to blend it now. So I pour it in this bowl so I could mix the rest of the ingredients with it. So here I add in 2 cans of Supligen. Going to add some vanilla. Here some condensed milk. Some sugar. Just going to whisk it. Look at that, my people. Now I'm going for a taste. Look at that, my people. Jaja. Yeah, man. Strong up the back. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.